Are you itching for a fresh start? You are not the only one. Hundreds of thousands of foreign nationals are starting their immigration journey every day to the United States, whether it's to be with family, explore employment opportunities, seek higher education, or for business reasons. When making that decision, you first want to ask yourself, how long do you see yourself living in the U.S.? Many individuals decide to come to the United States for a short amount of time through a temporary visa for a multitude of reasons, usually for work and business opportunities. The most popular temporary visas that we often see at VisaPlace include the H-1B visa for skilled workers with the right work experience and education, the H-2B visa for non-agricultural workers, an E-2 or E-1 visa for treaty traders and investors from eligible countries that have a treaty agreement with the U.S., the TN visa, which is a fast-track pathway for Canadian and Mexican workers through the USMCA agreement, formerly known as NAFTA, and the L-1 visa for those expanding their business to the U.S. or being transferred to an existing U.S. business. Those looking to settle in the U.S. permanently can obtain a green card in a number of ways, the most popular being through family sponsorship for immediate and family preference relatives to a U.S. citizen, employment-based green cards, which consists of 5 categories, but more specifically, the EB-1, EB-2, EB-3, or EB-4 visa for different levels of workers, and lastly, through an investment using the EB-5 investor visa. Each of these temporary visa and green card options has its own set of requirements, application process, and processing times, so it's important to explore these visas further to better understand the best fit for you. Something to keep in mind is that U.S. immigration is flooded with new applications daily, and to stand out from the crowd, you will need to submit the best possible application. This is usually done when working with an immigration professional who can ensure that your submitted application is 100% completed correctly, and highlights you as an outstanding candidate. Not only will you avoid common mistakes and be put in the best possible position for success, but you will also be supported throughout the entire application process. To get started on your immigration journey right away, we encourage you to book a consultation to speak with a professional at VisaPlace, which will consist of determining the best immigration pathway for you, discussing your end goals, and answering any questions that you may have. You can also stay updated and learn more about U.S. immigration by subscribing to our YouTube channel, signing up for our weekly newsletters, or reading our informational blog online at visaplace.com. We look forward to working with you.